I absolutely love my Nespresso coffee maker machine. However, the pods start getting a little expensive. But what I found on Amazon were these, and these are aluminum foil lids that you put on top of the pods, and then you can make your own coffee. How awesome is that? Very clever. And let me show you how easy they are to work. These are stickers that you get on these sheets, 4 on each sheet. And how I like to do it is I like to do several at once. It just saves time that way. And I get my pod after removing the sticker from the used pod, then you clean it out. After it's clean and dry, then you're ready to begin. So what I like to do is get my scoop of coffee and then put it on and then tap just like that and then do the next one. Now I like to do it over the can because that way if any do spill out, then it's okay, it just goes back in. I tap and then do the next one. So I like to do several at one time and it's so easy to do. You're gonna see right now. And this is just perfect because sometimes you want a whole pot of coffee, but sometimes you don't have time for that and you just want to make 1 or 2 cups. And that is when the Nespresso coffee machine just really comes in handy. And just like that, I am ready to fill it up. Then after I'm done using these, I put them to the side in a little container and grab as I need it. So now that we've filled it, now we get our sticker. And if you notice, the sticker has a little tab that makes it easy to pull off. Now, when you grab the sticker is only a sticker on the outside rim, not the middle. The middle is just aluminum. So what I like to do is try to get it as evenly as possible. A little bit of overage is okay. And then I just put it with my hand just like that. And then I go around the edge to make sure I get a secure fit. And that is how easy it is to do. And then I just proceed to the next one. And I like to do several at one time, like I said, and 8 or so. And that way I just have a quick grab and go cup of coffee. And as you can see, it's very simple. Then you just go around. These are just so simple to do, and I find it a little relaxing as well. Let me show you a close-up of what they look like. Here's a close-up of what it looks like after you filled it up. Now let me show you how easy it is to do. You get your pod and you put your coffee inside. Then you get your sticker, pulling it from that tab, just like this. There is sticker around the edge, but not in this middle area. What you're gonna do is try to stick it as evenly as possible, and then you just go around to secure the edges. Simple as that. And after you're done using it, it looks like this. And all you need to do is go to one of the edges and pull up, and then you're ready to dump it out and clean it and do it again. How perfect is this? And when you first use your pods, this is what they look like. And for you to remove it, you can just use scissors or the edge of a knife. And carefully try to get it as close as possible to the edge. And then you can even just continue to peel. And now we're ready to clean this and start using those reusable liners. How easy is that? I definitely recommend using these. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.